In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share a form using your board, making it easy to collect information from your team or clients. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your board, the very one you've prepared for your form creation. This board is essentially where you'll centralize your data, and it's the perfect place to get started. Once you're in your board, keep your eyes peeled for the plus add view button. You'll find this crucial option at the top left corner of your board. Clicking it will open up a range of different viewing possibilities, and here you need to select form. This selection shifts your working environment to form view, setting the stage for what comes next. Now that you have the form view open, it's time to customize it according to your needs, which is where you can start getting creative and functional. Start by adjusting the fields to capture precisely the information you want. You have the flexibility to tweak titles, add clear descriptions, set required fields that must be filled out, and more. If the form initially has columns or sections not relevant to your current purpose, you can easily rearrange or completely hide these. It's all about making sure the form is both efficient and user-friendly for whoever will be filling it out. Once your form looks perfect and meets your expectations, it's time to share it. Over on the top right of the form view, you'll find the Share Form button. Clicking on this will present you with a couple of choices. If you want an easy and direct way to share the form with others, go for the shareable link option. This feature generates a link which you can then copy, making it effortless to distribute far and wide, ensuring that everyone who needs access can have it with just a few clicks. And if you're looking to integrate this form seamlessly into a website or a web page, there's an option for that too. Instead of choosing the shareable link, you'll click on Embed. This handy feature will provide you with an HTML embed code. Simply copy this code and paste it into your website's HTML markup, and voila! Your form will be right there on the site, ready to be filled out by visitors. Congratulations, you've now successfully created, customized, and shared your form. Feel free to share this form with anyone who might need to fill it out, whether it's a small internal team or a broader audience. This is an efficient way to gather information and keep everything organized within your board system. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more insightful videos like this.